Daly City police are investigating after an officer shot and killed a man this afternoon. It all happened just before 2 o'clock on Niantic Avenue, that's near Junipero Boulevard and Westlake Avenue. We're told the officer approached some folks in a car and eventually fired their weapon, hitting and killing a man. At some point, an officer was also hurt, but the officer is expected to be okay. Right now, it is unclear exactly what the nature of the officer's injury is or what led up to that shooting.